Hello loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it last. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for actually stopping by and deciding to watch this beautiful face again. So we're still on this mini importation matter. So if you know you haven't watched the rest of the videos, go ahead and watch them. I'll leave the links in the description. So without further ado, let's just go right into this video. So I already made 2 videos, or should I say 3, about this mini importation thing, and then I just wanted to complete everything I already said, and I want you guys to just really flow with me, because there's just a lot of things that I am going to be talking about. And like I said in my previous videos, I have a premium class, a paid class that you can go ahead and sign up for, and you can learn all of these things too. It's not expensive, it's very, very affordable and really, really pocket friendly. So if you think you're interested in that, go ahead and check the description. I already said it, my description is really, really, really packed. So if you know you're interested in that too, go ahead and check the description. You're going to see the link there. So let's for my last videos, I already talked about the meaning of mini importation, the places you can actually import from, and all of that good stuff. And now we're going to be rounding up everything for those of you who feel like you did not understand. And then I've been getting a lot of questions in my my DMs, my WhatsApp, all of that. So I just wanted to clarify all of these things and still give you guys more advice on what to do and what not to do on this mini importation journey. So just go ahead and come with me through the journey. I'll be going through my phone to see some of the things that I'll be talking about today. So if you have implemented any of the things that I mentioned in my last few videos, you would probably know that there might have been some difficulties or not. Maybe some of you that can quickly assimilate and maneuver things, you might not have had difficulties in doing any of that. But then for some people, they actually had difficulties. Like I said, I've been getting some really, really serious questions in my DMs, and I've been explaining so much. So I just wanted to come in here and put in all of the questions into one place so that you guys will understand it better. So basically, we're going to be talking about how you can ship. So if you want to buy from a particular website or store, you can go ahead and just search for your products. Search for your product on the website. If you want to buy from 1688, you go ahead and search on Google Chrome. Use your Chrome browser, please. It's an advice. Use your Chrome browser. Go ahead and search on Google Chrome 1688.com. You're going to go to the main website, and you're going to see everything that they have on the site in their homepage, and you can search for whatever you want, and it's going to pop up pretty much. And then you can also do same for Alibaba, you can do same for Taobao, you can do same for all the other websites. So if you're satisfied with your product after searching for it and all that, this is the process, this is the next step you need to take. So I already talked about how you can recognize fake products, or products that are not really genuine. So if you think that maybe the product is too cheap for between the cost price and the sales price, please don't buy it. And also, if you see that a particular vendor or a supplier sells different things, the vendor is not niched down, the vendor does not have a niche, the vendor just sells anything and everything, that vendor is not a factory supplier. So there's a possibility you're going to get things expensive from that vendor, because they buy from these so-called factories and manufacturers, and then they resell. So those are resellers. On a very, very simple term, those are resellers. So if you probably want to buy shoes, and you see somebody selling shoes, and then you see somebody selling, the same person selling shoes is selling mosquito net and is selling bonnets, don't buy from that person. That's all. Okay, so if you want to order, you can use an agent, maybe a personal agent or a company, whatever you choose to use. That's really legit up to you. So if you are using a person agent, or maybe your company agent chats with you on WhatsApp, mine doesn't. If you watch my last video that I posted, the one before this one, you're going to see that I recommended a very, very trusted shipping company, procurement and shipping company, to you guys. So go ahead and check it out if you haven't checked it out. And so what you're going to be looking out for when you want to place your order for a personal agent, someone who's probably going to chat with you on WhatsApp, you are going to be sending the your order in this order. So you're going to be arranging it with the color, the size, and the quantity. So you're going to be sending the link to your agent, then you're going to send the color, you will send the size, and then the quantity that you want. So basically, when you send the link, you have to specify the color of the product you want your agent to buy, the size of the product. If you want like 5 sizes, write them down. If you want 5 sizes in different colors, if you want 41 in black, maybe a shoe, you want 41 in black, write 41 black or black 41. Then write blue 43, white 39, just like that. That's how your agent is going to really know what you're talking about, and then the quantity of product you want. So basically that's that for that particular one. How you pay the supplier. Some suppliers, they, like I said, I recommended a procurement company. So if you're using that procurement company in my last video, you're going to find out that you just have to pay from the website. So directly from the website, you can actually pay, and then the supplier is going to buy for you and also ship for you. But then if you want to pay your supplier by yourself, maybe in cases of Alibaba, you can go ahead and use Alipay. If you sign up for my premium tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can actually use your debit card instead of just going through one app or another. So after you make your payment, you're going to send your address to your supplier. You can go ahead and send the address of your agent. So that is exactly what happens sometimes. If you want to pay directly, you can send the supplier your agent's address, and then the supplier is going to send it directly to your agent's address. Send the supplier your agent's number, the supplier is going to do that for you. And then there are different types of shipping methods that you can actually use that are involved in mini importation. So one of them are express shipping. This normally takes like 2 to 3 days depending on where you are. Sometimes it's the same day delivery, like sometimes it is that good, but then like maximum 2 to 3 days, that's what it takes to have express delivery, and it's usually by air, so you know that you are going to get it really fast. And then the next one is like the normal shipping. Normal shipping takes about 14 days, like that's like the average. I don't think anybody, except it just delays or else, 14 days is the average. And then there is sea shipping, which takes about 30 days. Basically during this COVID, even the normal shipping takes up to 30 days, because I don't know why though. So the sea shipping is the cheapest, obviously, because it takes the longest, and then the express shipping is the most expensive because it takes the shortest amount of time, and then the normal shipping is just in between, basically. So you calculate how to actually calculate your shipping cost. You calculate it by kg. So if your agent is saying that 1 kg is like $5 for the type of shipping you want to use, if you have like a product that's like 5 kg and then your shipping is $5, you have to multiply by 5. So 5 kg times $5 will definitely give you $25. So basically that's it. And then in Nigeria right now, like the dollar rate is like 500 average. Yeah, 500 average. So some people do accept like 540, 570. It's that bad right now, but I'm just going to give you the average. It might be 500 on the long run. So basically that's that. So link in my bio, you can get access to some suppliers that can actually give you very good rates on whatever you want to import and all that stuff. So if you are in Nigeria or you're in Ghana, definitely this video is plainly for you, because the shipping company that I recommended, they ship to Ghana and to Nigeria, but some of the other shipping companies I'm going to be listing down, they actually ship to different parts of Africa. So do not be bothered, my child. I'm just kidding. Okay, so some of these hot selling products, I mentioned it in my first video, but then there are some like really cool products. Like there are some luxury products you actually get. I said I was going to talk about how you can actually get some of these products like from different countries from Alibaba. So if you go to Alibaba, if you maybe make a search, there is a filter for your searches. So you can go and click on the filter part of the website, and then you would see where you can choose the countries you want the product to come from. So if you're looking for maybe a handbag or a shoe, you can go ahead and choose that you want suppliers from Turkey, and then you're going to get Turkish suppliers. So basically that's it. And then things that you should note when you want to import. Basically, this is like very necessary when you're buying directly from manufacturers. Like I said, if you're buying from resellers, how to spot resellers. If you see different products, different niche products on their store, they have added money to it. So a lot of these suppliers are on WhatsApp. So if you're looking for a supplier, especially Alibaba, I usually recommend Alibaba because I feel like Alibaba is really flexible. So like there are a lot of ways you can actually tune the entire thing to suit your narrative. So if you want to talk to someone, a supplier from Alibaba or from the shopping site, you go ahead and maybe send them a message on the website and let them know that you're interested in this product but you want their WhatsApp number, because it is easier to get pictures and videos from their WhatsApp than from the website directly itself. So ask for their WhatsApp numbers. They are definitely going to give you their WhatsApp numbers. You go ahead and chat them up, and then you can decide if their prices are good enough, their shipping rates are good enough, their quality are good enough. You can just basically decide those stuff. So basically, if you have more stuff to like ask me about, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, or talk to me on Instagram in my DMs. So another question that someone was really asking was the calculation of the shipping. So I already mentioned that you calculate your shipping by the amount of kg and the amount of dollars that you're going to be charged per kg. So basically that's that. And another advice I want to keep sounding, please, if you know that I'm not here to like flash this whole thing in your face. If you know that there are products that you're definitely buying that you cannot sell, my sister, my brother, don't buy it. I've shared my experience in my last video and it wasn't a funny one at all. Do not buy it. If you know that you're not going to sell out these products, don't buy it. If you know you haven't tested these products, do not buy it. If you know that the market is not going crazy about this particular product, please do not buy it. This is just my my really, really honest advice. And in my premium class, I'm definitely going to be teaching you how to pay these suppliers by yourself without using an agent, and also how to ship by yourself without using an agent. Like, there are shipping agents, and they are like, I don't know if how I should explain it. Rather, there are agents that when you contact an agent, your agent collects a fee from your procurement and your shipping. Like, even if you pay the person 20, like maybe your entire order is like $20, some agents will collect like 2% or 3% from your total order. But then just for shipping, but then there are some I'm going to introduce you to how to find them by yourselves, even that are not going to charge you anything extra. So if your shipping is $5, they are going to collect exactly $5 from you, and they are going to ship to you to exactly where you are. You understand what I'm trying to say? So basically that is it for this video. I am going to leave a lot of links in the description, just a lot of things that I cannot even get directly off my head right now. I'm going to leave them in the description. So if you know that you are also interested in pre-order, maybe you do not really have money to start a business by yourself directly, you can join my pre-order group. The link is in the bio. Also, you can join my dropshipping group. If you know that you want to start the business risk-free, you don't want to have to run losses, you can join my dropshipping group also. So basically that's all I'm going to be talking about. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. And also you can go ahead and share this video to those who are interested in watching. I have already posted 3 videos on this particular topic. So if you are coming to my channel for the first time, go ahead and check those 3 videos. It will be really, really helpful. And if there's anything, like I said, that you want me to help you with, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. So basically that is all for today's video. Bye.